Supreme Court has issued a notice to Anna Hazare, the CBI and the Government of India along with the Government of Maharashtra on charges of financial irregularities in Anna Hazare's trust. This petition was filed by a private lawyer. We have Meenakshi joining us on the phone line. Meenakshi, what really does Mr. M.L. Sharma's petition allege?
Well, you rightly pointed out the petition is pertaining to certain charges of financial impropriety with regards to Anna Hazare's trust in Maharashtra. Now, the specifics of the charges will be available with us as the lawyer gets willing to share the copy of the petition per se. But what is interesting here is the fact that Anna Hazare, who for so many has now come to symbolize the voice of corruption, if you will, against in India. Today, he is facing charges of financial irregularities, and the Supreme Court issuing notice is very significant in the sense that the Supreme Court feels that there are enough grounds in the petition which calls for the petition to be admitted per se in the court, and therefore the Apex Court has today deemed it appropriate to seek a response from all the respondents, especially Anna Hazare, Government of India, Government of Maharashtra, and the CBI itself. Now, that is something which assumes significance here because the court, obviously, if the petition was frivolous, would have been well within its rights to dismiss it. The Apex Court hasn't done that, and it has found enough merits in the petition to issue notice to Anna Hazare, and that is a significant development, and that is the breaking news that is coming from the Apex Court. Of course, now Anna and all the other respondents have about 4 weeks' time to reply to the court's notice. The charges specifically deal with income tax irregularities we are being given to understand at this point in time. And in just about a few moments, we will have more details for you as the private petitioner lawyer shares the details of his petition with us.
Meenakshi, I understand you have not seen a copy of that petition yet, but as you mentioned that it had to have something solid in it for the Supreme Court to take cognizance of it and issue notices to not just Anna Hazare himself, but also the CBI, the Government of India and the Government of Maharashtra.
Indeed, like I was saying, that there is enough ground in the petition. There are enough, the charges that are being made out in the petition, they have certain specifics which has compelled the Supreme Court to admit the petition, because if it were not the case, the court would have at the outset dismissed the petition. So that has not happened. The court has taken cognizance of the charges of financial irregularities being leveled against Anna Hazare, and therefore the Supreme Court has deemed it appropriate to admit the petition at this point in time, which in itself assumes significance, because now the onus is on Anna to clarify the various charges being leveled against him and come out clean, if you will, and the court has deemed it appropriate to issue notice insofar as asking for a clarification or explanation from Anna Hazare, and likewise all the other respondents, including the Government of India, CBI, and the Government of Maharashtra, now on a back foot as they are looking to respond to the Supreme Court's notice.